Hi YouTube. I have a lot of energy today, so I want to show you how to find the logarithm of 2 on the abacus from using the constant Euler's number 2.7. 2.7. Let me show you. Okay, so we're going to have the Euler's number down to 5 digits, 2.7182. Now we want the logarithm of 2, so we're going to divide 2.7182 by 2. Minus 1, and that'll give us x. So 2 goes into 2 one time. 2 goes into 7 3 times. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2 goes into 19 9 times. 2 goes into 2 one time. So that leaves us 1.3591. So to find x, you subtract 1, and that's going to be 0.3591. So we're going to put that in this register. We're going to put x in this register, 0.3591. We're also going to put 0.3591 in memory. And this side of memory we're going to store when we're doing it, when we're timesing 0.3591 squared or cubed. So what you want to do now is get 0.3591 and square it. So we'll put 0.3591 in this first register, and another 0.3591 in this register. We're going to times those two together. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. Now we start in the second place, and we're going to times 9 by 3591. So 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 3 is 27. Now we're going to times 5 by 3591. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 5 is 25. And 5 times 3 is 15. Now we have 3 times 3591. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 5 is 15. And 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 8 decimal places to count, because this is 0.3591 and this is 0.3591. So that'll be 8 places in the decimal point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right before the 1. So we're going to put x squared in memory right here, which is 0.1289. Now we're going to take 0.1289 and divide it by 2. And that will leave us decimal point 6. 2 divided by 4 is 8. 2 divided by 9 is 4. And then 2 divided by 10 is 5. So far we have x squared divided by 2 equals 0.0645. Now we're going to subtract that from 0.3591. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 6. So far x is 0.2946. So we're going to clear out this abacus. We're going to recall memory, which is 0.1289, which is x squared. I'm going to put x squared into this register. Now we're going to put x into this register, which is 3591. So now we're going to times it squared by itself again, and that's going to give us cubed. So 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 5 is 40. 5. And 9 times 3 is 27. Now 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 3 is 24. Now we got a 2 times that number. 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 5 is 10. And 2 times 6. 2 times 3 is 6. And then we have times 1, 1, 9, 5, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. That's 8. So it'll be 1.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So x cubed is going to be 4.63. Clear out this abacus. Now we're going to divide x cubed by 3. So that's 3 divided by 0.0463. So that'll be our decimal point. 3 goes into 4 once. 3 goes into 16 5 times. 4 goes into 13 4 times. A remainder of 1. So x cubed divided by 3. X cubed divided by 3 is 0.0154. So we're going to add that to x, which is right now 2946. So we're going to add the 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Add a 5. Add a 1. So right now our closest answer to the logarithm difference of 2 and e is 0.3100. So now we're going to find x to the 4th divided by 4. So we recall memory, x cubed is 0.0463, and then x is 3591. Now we're going to times 463 by 3591. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9. Then 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 3 is 30. 6 times 3 is 18. Then 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 3 is 12. So we have again 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. So it's going to be 1.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So x to the 4th is going to be 0.0166. Now we're on the 4th stage of the infinite series. So we're going to divide 0.0166 by 4. 4 goes into 16 4 times. 4 goes into 6 1 time. 4 goes into 25 times. So x to the 4th divided by 4 is 0.0042. So we're going to subtract 2 from x right now, which is 0.31. And that gives us 0.3059. Now we have x to the 4th in memory. We're going to recall that. And we have x in memory, which is 3591. Now this is going to be x to the 5th power divided by 5. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 3 is 30. 6 times 3 is 18. Again, 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 3 is 18. And then 1 times x would be 1953. And we have 4 decimal places on each of these numbers, so it's going to be 8 decimal points to the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So x to the 5th is going to be 0.0059. Now we're going to divide x to the 5th by 5. How many times does 5 go into 5? 1 time. How many times does 5 go into 9? 1 time. With the remainder of 4. How many times does 5 go into 40? 8 times. So we have x to the 5th divided by 5 is going to be 0.0012. So we're going to add that to this result in the x box, which is right now 0.3058. So we'll add a 2 and a 1, and that gives us 0.307. Okay, now we're in the 6th stage of the infinite series. We have x to the 5th, so we're going to recall that in memory, and we're going to times that again by x, and that'll give us x to the 6th. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 2. 9 times 3 is 27. Then we have 5 times x, 3591. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 5 is 25. And 5 times 3 is 15. 8 decimal point places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. X to the 6th is 0.0021. Divide that by 6. 6 goes into 21 3 times, with a remainder of 3. 6 goes into 40. 6 goes into 40 6 times. So it's going to be 4. X to the 6th divided by 6 is going to be 0.0004. So we're going to subtract 4. And that will be the answer coming to 0.3066. Now the last part of the infinite series, we're up to a 7 now. So we're going to bring 3.3591 to the 7th power and divide it by 7. So we have a 2-1 in this register because x to the 6th is 0.0021. Now we have 3591 times that by 1, 9, 5, 3. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 9 is 20. 2 times 5 is 10. And 2 times 3 is 6. So that gives us x to the 7th is 0.0007. Divide 0.007 by 7. That gives us 0.1111. 3 zeros and a 1. So we're going to add that 1 to this number. Now we can clear out memory because we got our answer basically. So we have 0.3067. Now you want to divide that by 1. Now you want to subtract that from 1. Since the natural logarithm of Euler's number 2.7182 is 1.0000, we're going to subtract the difference. So we're going to subtract a 1, which will give us all 9s. Finish the 6, and the 3 is subtracted. And the logarithm of 2 is 0.6933, but with accuracy it's down to 4 places, which is 0.693. And that's how you get the logarithm of 2. Also check out my video on the equation before this video on how to find it, except I made a mistake in the equation. It comes up with, after the equation, we can remember it'll be x will turn into 0.3067. Then you subtract that from 1, and that'll give you the logarithm of e. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, just comment. Thank you. Bye.